Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna yay!
Yay! So we're at the last two letters of the alphabet today, Amari. That's Y and Z. So Amari, how do we do a Y? Meet in the middle, meet in the middle, and straight down. Good boy. Meet in the middle, meet in the middle, and straight down. Can everybody see that?
Yeah.
Well done. Can we do that one more time for everybody, please?
Me.
Meet in the middle, meet in the middle, and straight down. Good boy. Meet in the middle, meet in the middle, and straight down. Fantastic. Can everybody see that? Well done. So, the very last letter of the alphabet is Z. Well done. So, Amari, how do we do a Z? Zig, zag, zig. Well done. Zig, zag, zig. Fantastic. Can we do that one more time for everybody, Amari? Zig, zag, zig. Good boy. Zig, zag, zig. And that is how you do Y and Z.
Thank you to my channel. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.